What's the best way to make a new lead feel welcomed? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we're going to build a workflow starting with a new lead or opportunity in Odoo. Then we're going to take the details of that lead and send them a welcome email in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. And we'll give our workflow a title. So this is going to be new lead in Odoo to Gmail. And we're going to click inside of our trigger box. And we're going to select Odoo ERP self-hosted as our triggering app. And the event is going to be new lead or opportunity. Make sure we're connected to our Odoo account. We're going to select our Workload 2 database. Then we're going to test our trigger. And we found a new lead. We have Brett Beatman of Brett's Beats. And we have the email address that we'll use for our Gmail. And then I'm noticing the company name, Brett's Beats, is connected to the name of the contact, and it looks like it's inside of an array. If I click on the raw console button, I can see it's part of this partner ID array. So I want to pull out this Brett Beatman part of the response and make it its own separate response, and then divide it so that we can use the company name separate from the name of the contact as part of our email. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and click continue. I'm going to use one of our tools, and that's going to be the AI formatter by Workload. I'm going to format data. The input data is going to be that partner ID. And notice the thing I want to pull out is labeled as number 1. So we'll use that in our prompt. Pull out number 1 and create a separate response with company name and contact name as distinct outputs. Click continue, and we'll test this action. And now we have the separate response where Brett's Beats, the company name, can now be input separately from the contact name. So we'll click continue. We'll add a step. This is going to be in Gmail. And we're going to send an email. Make sure I'm connected to my Gmail account. So the to email is going to come from our first step of our trigger. And that's going to be the email of our contact. The from email is just going to be my email. And I'm going to copy that and put that as the reply to as well. And then from my name, the subject, welcome. Dear, and then I'm going to import the name. This could be either from step 1 or step 2. Dear Brett Beatman, we are excited about working with you, and then we're going to pull from step 2 and put that company name in. We're excited about working with you and Brett's Beats. Please let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Sincerely, Elliot. Okay, so now I've used the name of my contact and their email address and the name of the company coming from that trigger in order to create this email. I'm going to click continue. We're going to test this action. And it was sent successfully. So then I can peek over at my email, and then I can find my sent emails. and you can see that was sent. So that workflow worked successfully. If you notice in my inbox that the email was not found, it's because Brett Beatman is not a real person. But the workflow functioned the way we wanted. We can come back over to the workload editor and see that we have a green dot in each of our nodes. So now I can activate my workflow. And whenever we create a new lead or opportunity in Odoo, it'll automatically be sent that same form email. That's how you can use Workload to automate sending an email whenever you create a new lead in Odoo. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this video with any suggestions for new videos or any questions you might have. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, and click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.